Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel after a long time. I almost thought that the third video would never come out, but here we are eventually. So I recently bought something from Amazon because the mesh door which leads to my balcony needed some repair. And I saw this on Amazon, and this is like a patch for the mesh. And so these were actually advertised as a little stick-ons which you can paste on the mesh door, and it will patch up all the gaps and the holes that you have in case you do. And I've had a lot of flies, and we have locust attacks going on around the world, so I wanted to make sure that no insects creep in to my room. So I bought this thinking it would be a good product to buy in to repair my door, and I've already opened this up. I had this option to cut it into small pieces in case I did want to, but I've already tried using this. So the way you put it is you have to take this white thing off, which I did try doing. So I'll just try and take it off first. So the first time when I took it off, I actually took off this gluey part, and I felt that there is no glue attached or on this mesh, and I was not able to paste it on the door at all. And then I later figured out that you need to ensure that this part, if you can see this through the camera, that there is another translucent part which you need to keep on the wire, on the mesh wire, and you need to carefully peel the rest of the white part off and then stick it on your mesh door or wherever it needs repair. So I will try and do that and see if it fits, and I'll show you the door once it's all patched up. So as you can see, I did try to patch this mesh up. Well, as definitely cannot be a permanent solution. This seems like a temporary fix. So you probably would need to speak with the owner to replace the mesh. But for the temporary fix, I think it does quite a good job. Rest assured, I would not have any flies creeping into my room anymore. So if you're looking for a temporary fix, don't want to spend more than 20 bucks, because I only spent around 20 dirhams for this, and of course there was delivery charge, I think 10 dirhams. So it does quite a good job in holding up like that. If you want, you can also put some super glue on the other side so to ensure that it does not come out at all, but it definitely does not make your door look all that good. But can I give it a thumbs up? Not really. It's not a great product, but not bad for a temporary job. Okay guys, so that's all that we have in this video. The only thing that I am happy about after this temporary patch up is that I would not have to use this thing again, at least for the time being. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time around, and hopefully that'll be soon.